Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it may sound weird but it's actually nice and refreshing and supposedly healthy. Well, I searched around, it is healthy. It is Dandelion Ice Tea. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Dandelion tea. It's refreshing. So you want to harvest about 4 cups of fresh dandelion flowers, and you want dandelion flowers that are grown in your backyard, far away from the road, busy streets and whatnot, and definitely the one grown without pesticides. So 4 cups of these, and just place them onto a large bowl. So I have a measuring cup here, and you want just the flowers, not the stems, not the leaves. And that's about 4 cups. I mean 1 cup. Now another 3 cups. While you harvesting or collecting the dandelion, you want to prepare or boil hot water. Now that's 4 cups. Now we're gonna rinse this with cold water. Now place it into a cup or a jar, and then we're gonna add 1 cup hot boiling water, and let this steep for 5 to 8 minutes. Now after 8 minutes, strain it into a serving cup and chill it first. You can add lemon or lime or sweetener. Now once the dandelion cool to room temperature or chilled, wet it with your favorite sweetener. Mine is honey, and then serve it as is or with ice. I would love with some ice, so I'm gonna add some ice. Now some people prefer to make the tea only with the petals, and some with flowers like I did here. With the petals, it gives lighter color or tea, but with the flowers, it becomes darker like mine. And there you go, Dandelion Ice Tea. Well, it's supposed to be dandelion tea, but I added ice.